Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you another member of our iRover2 family, our base model. As education continues to focus on flexible learning spaces, classrooms and libraries are regularly rearranged to accommodate full class instruction and small work groups. A flat panel purchase is a big investment. That's why we have designed a family of interactive flat panel carts that are mobile, durable, and affordable, including a premium model and an easel for primary classrooms. In a recent poll of our Idea Lab educator advisory team, we learned 75% of them rearrange their classrooms at least twice per year, and almost half of them said they actually rearrange their classrooms at least once a month. This means that many schools are choosing to not mount their interactive flat panels to a wall. Once the flat panel is mounted, it becomes the front of the classroom, it's permanent, and removing it to change locations can become costly. Having your flat panel mounted on a cart allows it to be used for whole class or small group instruction, and it can be shared between classrooms. So, what makes this interactive flat panel cart different than our other iRover2? Well, it's the same quality build as our premium model, just with fewer bells and whistles. One thing that hasn't changed though are the casters. Educators tell us that caster quality really matters. So we've included the same durable 5-inch casters as we do on our other iRover2 carts that are not commonly found on competitor models. These casters help make moving around effortless, and it can also fit through standard doorways. Let's walk through the key features. The difference between this base model and our premium iRover2 is the height is set upon assembly instead of using an electric lift like on our premium model. This one is currently set at the lowest height and can be raised by 10 inches. And while we're talking flat panel settings, this model supports 55 to 80-inch flat panels with a maximum weight of 200 pounds, or like those commonly found in schools. To help keep laptops close at hand, this cart includes a laptop tray suitable for devices up to 17 inches that fits securely onto the back of the frame and can be stowed away during transport. This frame supports ease of access for all students, including those with special needs accommodations, because the feet are positioned in a way that allows students to get up close without obstruction. The last thing I'll mention one more time, because it's really important to educators, are the durable 5-inch casters. 2 of them are locking, so your cart remains in place. It also makes for smoother movement over floor transitions. And there you have it, our iRover2 base model for interactive flat panels. For peace of mind as always, iRover2 is backed by our no fine print warranty. Check out our other iRover2 videos where you'll get all the facts about the other members of the iRover2 family. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave us a comment to tell us what you think. Effortless, 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 effortless. Okay, these casters help make moving around effortless. Effortless.
Effortless. There you go.
These casters help make moving around effortless. And it can also fit through standard doorways.
Nailed it.